Hello traders, welcome back to another analysis video. Today in this video we are going to be doing technical analysis in British Pound JPY currency pairs. I'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels in each time frame analysis. Please watch the video without skipping to know all these levels, and you can use these levels as a reference for entering and exiting on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. I've already marked the support and resistance levels in this daily time frame. You can notice that this whole area between 157 and 155 is acting as a very strong resistance zone. And previously when we noticed the trend of the price action, it tested only 155 level and the price bounced back. And next time when it tested this level, it has broken this resistance level and went to the next level of resistance, which is around 157, and from this level the price action bounced back to the same level. So it has broken this level of resistance, and current resistance level is around 157.965. Since the price action has gone higher than the previous high, this was in a very nice bullish trend, but next time when it retraced to this level, it couldn't manage to touch or break this previous high also. So the price action has lost its momentum on the bullish side. So currently the price action is trading between the support level of 149 and the resistance level of 157. It is a range bound market when we look at the price action from the daily time frame. And within the range bound market also, you can notice that it is forming a double top or a M pattern, and we have very strong support over here. It has to break this support level to actually go on a bearish side trade. Currently the market is struggling to break this support level of 155.988. Once the price action breaks this support level, we can expect it to test this next level of support, which is around 154. When we look at the character of this currency pair price action, it usually forms a double top pattern, then makes a trend reversal. Again it goes up, makes a double top, then trend reversal happens. So presently also when we notice the price action, it has gone up, making a double top pattern and trying to break this support line. If the price action succeeds to break this support level, we can expect the next level of support to be at 154. So these are all the support and resistance levels for the current price action in daily time frame, and this whole area is acting as a resistance area. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, it has momentarily broken this support level of 155 and it is on a retracement. But when we analyze the characteristics of this currency pair, previously also it has broken this support level, then it has retraced, again came on a very strong bearish trend, then consolidation, then retraces, then bearish trend. This is how the price action works in British Pound JPY. So we can see that it is forming a triple top pattern and trend down, again forming a double top pattern, then a trend down. So I'm expecting it to form a double top or triple top, again come on a bearish side. So definitely we can see that there is a sign of trend reversal because it has broken this previous neckline or previous low. So we can expect the trend to go on a bearish side and test this next level of support, which is going to be around 154. And when we mark the trend line and check the current trend of the market, you can notice that it has clearly broken this trend line and it is in a bearish trend. So if the price action retraces also, this trend line is going to be acting as a resistance level and we can expect a bearish trend reversal from this point. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action has gone up, formed a triple top pattern, retraced, again formed a double top pattern, and it has retraced. While retracing, you can notice that it has broken this support line or the neckline of the double top or triple top pattern, and it is on a retracement. We can expect the current market to take resistance at the level of 156, then a trend reversal to happen because it has already started its bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. Again we have the trend line from the 4 hours time frame acting as a very strong resistance, and currently the price action looks bullish and it is going on a bullish retracement. We can expect it to take resistance on this trend line and a bearish trend reversal to happen. And we already know that the character of this price action is go up, retracement, again go up, retracement, again go up and retracement. Currently it is on a bullish trend, so I am expecting a retracement on the bearish side. So this is how the price action is working in British Pound JPY currency pair. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in the yellow color are the resistance and support levels in hourly time frame, and currently the price action looks bullish and it is testing the level of 156. Wait for the trend reversal, then you can take trade on the bearish side trade. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now, and from the 4 hours time frame and daily time frame we already know that the bearish trend reversal has started. So I have drawn a channel pattern here also. From here also we are getting the confirmation that the bearish trend reversal has started. Currently the price action is testing this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern. Wait for it to take resistance at the same level of the previous high or go on a little bit higher also, and you can go on a trade when the bearish trend reversal starts. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. This level is going to be acting as a very strong support from the higher time frame. Currently the price action is in a very nice bullish retracement, but when we notice a past price action also, it always goes on a bullish retracements, then a bearish trend starts. Again it goes on a bullish retracement and bearish trend started. So currently also it is following the same trend. We can expect the bearish trend reversal and a bearish trend to continue. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action, it was on a very nice bullish trend and it formed a very nice double top pattern and went on a bearish trend. Here it took support on the bearish channel pattern from the 30 minutes time frame. It formed a very nice double bottom, then it is in a very nice bullish trend. Wait for it to form a very nice double top, then you can expect a trend reversal to happen. Currently it has taken support on the dynamic resistance line from the channel pattern, so I am expecting a trend reversal around this area and a bearish trend to start. It has to again break this support level of 155 to actually continue its bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame, and we have a higher time frame support level over here which is around 155. Wait for it to break this support level, then you can go on a bearish side trade. When you draw a trend line like this, you can understand the direction of the market. Then you can decide on your entry or exit based on the direction of the trend. Currently the trend looks bullish. Wait for it to break this support line and a trend reversal to happen. You can go on a bearish side trade. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button to show your support and share this video with your friends.